Did you ever want a Cricut or a Brother cutter, but it's too expensive or takes up too much space? Check your community resources. Our library has a makerspace with CNC machines, laser cutters, vinyl cutters, etc. I'm using the laser cutter to make my own designs of cutouts and stencils, sized perfectly for my own art. I brought in an Adobe Illustrator file, uploaded it to their software, adapted the settings for my chipboard thickness, and sent it to the laser cutter. This is how fast it works. Look at that. It would take me hours and hours and hours to do this, and it would be much less precise. I wish we had smell-o-vision though. One thing I wasn't prepared for is that there's a burning smell. Even with the exhaust, you can smell kind of a burning smell out of it. It's not terribly unpleasant, but I was not prepared. Be sure and check your community resources to see what's available. You just never know.